We have to find x. X is in the denominator of the fraction. We have to eliminate the fraction by multiplying both sides equation by the denominator. Okay, so I'm going to have a minus b over cx equals d plus 3. I have to multiply both sides equation by the denominator. So I'm going to add parentheses over here. Just make sure that we are going to remember that these two terms are supposed to be multiplied by cx. And I'm going to multiply this fraction by cx. Cx and cx will cancel out. And I'm going to have a minus b equals d plus 3 times cx. I'm looking for x. I do not want to see anything multiplied to x. So in order to eliminate this multiplication, I'm going to use division. I'm going to divide both sides equation by whatever is multiplied to x. So I have d plus 3 times c, and I have d plus 3 times c. So parentheses are going to cancel out. C and c will cancel out. Okay, and I'm going to end up with x equals a minus b over d plus 3 times c. This is the solution to my problem.